Well, hello pre-K. It's so good to see you again. Hey, did you have a great spring break? Wasn't it beautiful? Tell me something that you did over spring break. That sounds so good. So Mr. Hilt and I got to spend a lot of time last week in the backyard enjoying all of his gardening. I read books and I enjoyed the sunshine. It was so nice. I'll send you a picture later on so you can see it. Well, today pre-K we have a very special day because it is Audrey's birthday. Will you say happy birthday with me? Happy birthday, Audrey! Here's your banner that's up. Can you see it? Happy birthday. And so I want us to sing to Audrey this morning. All right, let's sing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Audrey. Happy birthday to you. And many more. I hope you're having a great day, Audrey. I hope you get to have cake and ice cream and play outside and have a wonderful time with your family. We sure do miss seeing you. And all of you. Well, students, it's time to get back into the swing of things. And so today we have a new calendar math time to do. And so I'm going to have you be looking at the board. You have your paper and your pencil ready to go because we're going to write some new numbers today. And then later on in our math lesson, we're going to create A, B, C, D patterns. So when we get there, I'll tell you what you need for that, and you can pause the video to get what you need. All right, well, it's good to see you. I see you out there, Alex. I see you, Axel, and you too, Charlie and Cassie. Oh, I see Jude and Evan and Sam and Violet and Anna and Hannah and Hamilton. I see you too, and William. And Scout, it's good to see you too. I hope you're all having a great day. Let's get ready to count. So, students, how many months are there in the year? And you say, let's say them. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. And students, how many days are there in the week? Let's sing them. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Do you see something missing on our days of the week? You're right, I don't have the today sign up. Okay, so here is the today sign. And here is the tomorrow sign. Let's sing to find out what day we're on today. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. You're right, today is Tuesday. And we remember that we're in the month of, that's right, April. So we know we're in April and we know it's Tuesday. Let's find out what number we're going to put up on our calendar today. Let's start by counting with the first, April 1st. And remember, we're going to do our st and ths. Here we go. Ready? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th, 21st. Now I think I heard a 21th out there, and you're correct on the numbers. It's a 2 and a 1, but we don't say oneth, we say first, right? So 21st. Say it again. 21st. Good. So now we know that it is Tuesday, April 21st, 2020. Let's say it again. Class, today is Very good. One more time, everybody. Today is Tuesday, April 21st, 2020. I need to get my pointer out here, Mr. Apple Pointer. There it is. All right. Now, what will tomorrow be? Here's the today sign. What's tomorrow going to be? It's a word that starts with W. If you said Wednesday, you're correct. Today is Tuesday and tomorrow is Wednesday. Will we still be in April? That's right, we'll still be in April, but it won't be the 21st, will it? What will it be tomorrow? If you said 22nd, you're correct. We can say tomorrow will be Wednesday, April 22nd, 2020. That is a lot of twos that we're saying. 2020, and it'll be 22nd. We'll see that on the board tomorrow when we do our math lesson. All right, students, wonderful job. So we're going to write our day of the month, and we know that it's a 21st, and we see that in the 21st, there's a 2, that's the 20 part, and then a 1 for first. So we're going to write a 2, and then pull down 21st. And remember, where's Zero the hero? He's hiding way up here. He's hiding behind the 2. Remember that 21st would be 20 and 1 more. But Mr. Zero the hero is very, very kind. He's going to get out of the way so that the 20 and the 1 can be right next to each other. So that's where we're getting our 21s. Oh my, I'll just use my fingers today because I can. All right, so that's our number for the day. How does yours look, students? All right, very good. All right, well, let's go ahead and take a look at our days of school. We've had so many days of school this year. We're just gonna look at the rainbow, see? Woo! If you like Skittles, this kind of looks like a board of Skittles. See how we've gone all the way over? And we've even had a lot of days at home with school. So we're gonna find out what new number is gonna be today and what color it's going to be. So if you look, the last one that we did is a white card, and it has an 8 and a 0 the hero. So I know we don't call that 8 and 0, we call that 80. That's right. Let's take a look at all of our white cards and find out what color comes after them. So there's a white card. That's red. There's another white card. Another red. I see a pattern. So what color should come next, class? If you said red, you're correct. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get our red card, and we're gonna find out what number to put on it. Let's see. On this number, red, I have a 5 and a 1. And we know we don't call that 5-1, we call it 51. And then on this red card, we have a 6 and a 1. We call that, that's right, 61. And here is another one. There it is, I get the glare out of there. It's a 71. So if last card was 80, what number do you think is going to be on our card today? If you said an 8 and a 1 is going to be on our card, you are correct. And Mrs. Hilt forgot to grab her black pen, so I'm doing that right now as we speak. So let's go ahead and write our 8 and 1 on our card. Here we go. All right, we're gonna do 8. Watch me do this one-handed. There we go. And one more. Pull down. Whoops. Forgive me. That's kind of hard to do with one finger, isn't it? All right, so we are gonna get some tape. You see, I still have all my class stuff here. Ooh, I see a good pattern that we're gonna get to here in a minute. Okay. And I still have my chair there because I need my chair to get up there. Here we go. Ready? There it is. 81. Tell you what, it's been a while since we've counted by ones. Do you think we should try today? I think we should try too, because you know what? We have to be able to count to 100 soon. And so I think we better practice. All right, here we go. Let's start at 1. Count it with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Did you clap for Zero the Hero? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, sorry about that glare, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Take a big breath. That's a lot of counting. Ready? Keep going. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81. Way to go, pre-K. That was a lot of counting. Let's just take a moment and rest. Okay, ready for something new. I want to look at our counting tape and make sure that we have all of our numbers on our counting tape and also find out how our pattern is doing. The last time we talked about a pattern, we were doing the A, B, C, D pattern, and it's beautiful kites with 4 different colors. Let's take a look. So here is our counting tape. Let's count by ones one more time until we get to our day of the month, which is 21. Okay, here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and we know that 21 is going to be next. What color is going to come next in our pattern? Here's a red, blue, yellow, green. If you said red, you are correct. Today's number 21 is red. And so what number is going to go above in our pattern? What letter is always above the red kite? Is it C? No. Is it B? Nope. Is it A? Yes, it is A. So I will go ahead and write an A above the 21. There it is. So we have 4 things going on in our patterns. Did you do head, shoulders, knees, and toes last time? Remember we did that? It was kind of funny to watch Mrs. Hilt do that on the video, wasn't it? Because the phone, my arm is just not long enough. So today what I have for you is to show you a piece of paper. Now, some of you might have this, some of you might not. I'm not sure if it got in everybody's packets. If it didn't get in your packet, don't worry. It's really easy to make this on your own. I'll show it to you. So here we have a piece of paper that has an A, B, C, D on it 2 times, okay? And you can see that it even has the colors of the kites. Remember, the colors order was red, yellow, green, blue. So this grid right here, you're going to create your own pattern. And you're going to repeat the pattern 2 times, once, twice, just like you see there. So you're going to actually get to do 4 different types of ABC patterns. So the first one I'm going to do, let's see here. I've got some pens here, you see, and we're going to create a pattern. Sorry, just a moment here. These are being a little bit obstinate. Do you know what obstinate means? Obstinate means they're being stubborn. Okay, here we go. Okay, now you don't have to necessarily use the same color. A does not have to be something red, okay? It could be something yellow, but for now, I'm going to draw a heart. And for the B, I'm gonna draw a flower. And for C, I'm going to draw, what do you think that is? Kind of like a Christmas tree, isn't it? And then for D, I'm going to draw a raindrop. Okay, so what do I have to do now for A? I need to use a red pen to make a red heart, right? Because I have to repeat the pattern. What will come after my red heart? That's right, the yellow flower. And then what comes next? Oh yeah, the Christmas tree. Or we can just say the evergreen tree. Evergreens stay green all year long, not just at Christmas. Okay, and then the little raindrop. Oops. There's my pattern. So this time I used a pattern of objects and colors. So hearts were A and the hearts were red. But you know, I could create a pattern with anything. And I know you guys remember these. Remember those, the little foil fun sparkly things? Okay, so I'm not necessarily going to match up the colors this time. I think I'm going to try to do a flower and then a disc. And then a leaf. And then a, let's see, what can I find the easiest? Snowflake. See, they're not necessarily the same color, but flower, disc, leaf, snowflake. So I have to repeat that. Now, my pattern is not about the color this time. It's about the object. So I don't have to necessarily find a purple flower. I could find any flower. So I found a silver flower this time. And I found a red disc. And I found a gold leaf. And I found a silver snowflake. So see, your pattern can just be by object, not by color. So flower, disc, leaf, snowflake. Flower, disc, leaf, snowflake. What else could you do? You could draw all sorts of things. You could do like numbers on a dice. You could do 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you could do it again. See, it's not about the color you're using. It's about, oops, I did that wrong. It's about what is common